Hey everyone, it's a cold and gloomy day here, about 30 degrees in Omaha, and actually I'm in Iowa right now, walking around Hitchcock Nature Center. It's a beautiful place. They're doing some controlled burn fires, so there's some smoke in the sky along with the kind of cool clouds, and I'm really digging this. This is great. I needed this because I got up at like 2 o'clock last night. I went to bed around 11:30 and woke up at 2. That's a problem. So I stayed up from 2 until, right now I try to take a nap, can not do a nap. You know, one of the things is my mind is thinking too much, right? I'm still only 2 years away from being employed full-time from a teaching job that I had for 18 years. And so I'm struggling with the idea of taking my time trying to make it with this new reality, which I'm doing it, I'm making it, which is awesome. But man, I think about things all the time. I also have focused sometimes on the wrong things. So last night I woke up at 2 thinking about cameras, which is stupid. I just seriously woke up and started to think about, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna keep my XT5? Am I not? I don't really need it. I have the XH2. So I was struggling today. My wife was like, just go for a walk, go take some photos. And so that's what I'm doing. It's gorgeous out. It's super muddy, but it's so cold that the mud is frozen. So I'm good to go. So let's walk around and take some photos. I took the OM1 with me. This thing is kind of crazy, small and light. One of the things I've been thinking about a lot lately is how the camera manufacturers, their marketing departments do a pretty good job of making us want to buy new things. So I know this is a new thing, but it's also wildly different than, like the GFX and the Fuji stuff and the Sony full frame stuff that I have. And the more I'm thinking about stuff, gosh, I don't know, man. This OM1 is pretty nice. It's light, it's versatile, the image quality is gorgeous. And in my bag right now, I have, a macro lens and a 100 to 400 that weighs almost nothing. And I can go on these long trails and get some amazing images with it. So I'm just not sure, man. And this is a cool lookout point. Let's check this out. When I first found that overlook, I was scared to death to get right next to it. But it's so pretty that you gotta kind of do it. I saw some deer out there wandering around, and oh my God, I just need to go take more photos and go on more walks. I gotta learn how to do some camping by myself. I gotta get out more and not get in my head so much, right? On the way back to the car, I think we'll do some intentional camera movement. The OM1 makes it pretty easy with whatever mode that is that lets you shoot with where you could kind of see the blur. I should probably look that up, what that is. My favorite thing about ICM, intentional camera move is that I have still no idea what I'm doing with it. I am just guessing. I'm trying to make things look pretty. I'm looking for color, but I have no clue what I'm doing, which is fantastic because it's firing like neurons in my brain that need to be pushed, and you know, looking at form and color and movement, all that stuff is pretty cool. Okay, you see those lights way out there? Zoom in closer, right there. Believe it or not, that is a ski lift. So yeah, we actually do have a ski lift over here near Nebraska and Iowa, at least. It's probably got to be like the smallest one in America, don't you think? Because these hills are not very big. Okay, I'm back in the car. We're about done. I am insanely tired. I hope I rest well tonight. So thanks for coming along, everyone. We'll see you next time.